wiki.easyvid.com. Search EasyVid Wiki before you decide. EasyVid presents the 10 best ovulation tests. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. ClinicalGuard LH20 comes as a pack of 20 and has an easy-to-use detection design with one control band and one that appears only with a positive result. The price is right, but if you prefer midstream style tests, this may not be the right one for you. It takes only a few seconds to use, however the strips are a bit small, and some users receive false negatives. At number 9, if you have irregular cycles, the MIDI Test LH is a good inexpensive option for frequent fertility checks. It can detect surges of luteinizing hormone in the urine up to 36 hours before peak ovulation and delivers results in under 5 minutes. The strips are individually wrapped and have a 2-year shelf life, but the results are sometimes ambiguous. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Eliminate the guesswork and maximize your chances of getting pregnant using the FDA-approved wondfo one-step. Its 50 strips offer accurate detection at levels of luteinizing hormone as low as 25 milli-international units per milliliter of urine. It includes helpful instructions, and the flat packages are easy to store. However, some users get inconsistent results. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for ovulation tests, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the BLT Smart Fertility Monitor uses modern science to generate a fertility calendar based on your basal body temperature. The thermometer is embedded with Bluetooth technology that uploads data automatically to its companion app, which calculates your results. It includes an alarm function for daily reminders and requires no urination, but the reading process is time-consuming. Moving up our list to number 6. The accumed combo is an economical bundle for those in the process of getting pregnant. It includes 40 LH strips that have been meticulously crafted to the highest quality standards, as well as 10 pregnancy strips, so you're ready for the next step when the time comes. It's impressively sensitive and requires just a 3-second dip. However, positive results may appear faint. Halfway up our list at number 5. From one of the most respected names in family planning, the First Response Value Pack includes a total of 10 midstream style sticks. Use the 7 LH-sensitive units to determine when to conceive, and the 3 HCG-sensitive ones will let you know if it worked. It's over 99% accurate and delivers wide, easy-to-read lines, but the packaging is bulky and wasteful. At number 4, the Easy At Home Combo Kit includes an ample 50 LH strips to monitor fertility, as well as 20 that measure HCG to help you determine if you're pregnant. Unlike many strip-style options, these almost always provide definitive and accurate answers when used correctly. It's a simple 3-step process that comes in at a very low cost per strip. You get results in 3 to 5 minutes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. As the number 1 OBGYN recommended brand, Clearblue Digital is a popular choice for predicting fertility. It uses digital technology to give you easy-to-read results in the form of a smiley face on the days when you're most likely to get pregnant. The thick stick is easy to hold, and a pack of 20 should last 2 months. It provides a definitive yes or no. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for ovulation tests, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Pragmate Predictor Pack will help you conceive without spending a fortune. With 50 included tests that claim 99% accurate results, even women with the most irregular menstrual cycles can figure out just the right time to get started. It comes in notched packets for easy opening, and long strips keep your fingers clean. It's approved for use by the FDA. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the iprovèn FK127 kit includes everything you need to track your fertility, and once you've capitalized on that, your impending pregnancy as well. Its individually packaged strips require a simple 5-second dip to provide accurate results. It comes with 50 LH and 20 HCG strips and a hassle-free refund policy. It can also be used to avoid pregnancy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for ovulation tests, or simply click beneath this video.